Check out this 2008 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited X. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger door bin, power windows with driver and front passenger one-touch, Class I receiver hitch, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, front center armrest, trip computer, power locks, and trailer tow group. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.